Whoa! Who is that hot girl? Hey, it's ow. Hey, it's Karen. Ow, god damn it. Hey, it's Karen. Welcome to my second channel where my only hope is still to make you smile. We do things a little different here. It gets weird, it gets loud, but most of all, we have a lot of fun. So please join our beautiful family community. We're growing. Why do I keep screaming at you? I'm so sorry. But by clicking on this red subscribe button over here, the goal is 500 subscribers before the end of the year. We're getting really close. We grew 117 subscribers in the past week and a half. So thank you very much for the new people watching. I hope that you stay. As you can see, the title of the video is a clothing haul, winter. I got some bunch of new clothes. We're gonna go take them out, and then we are going to go on a little runway, cute runway, and then I'm gonna rate the outfits, and then you can tell me what your favorite outfit was. If they all sucked or if they're all good, please don't do that. That's gonna hurt my feelings. Also, I am playing around with two audios, the camera audio and the mic audio here. So tell me which one you sound better. I'll put it right at the top when I'm using the different types of audios. So let's get started. We got mail! We got mail! It's this very special day.
Oh my God! Okay, it's happening. Everybody stay calm.
What's the procedure, everyone? What's the procedure?
Stay calm.
What? These are clothes. Why are they so heavy? It is winter, as you saw the previous clip. Hopefully I put it there. It's raining. It is a rainy day in LA. Like, it's pretty much rainy every day. And I'm going home to try on new clothes that just arrived. It hasn't rained like this in LA, and it hasn't been this cold in LA in I think about a year and a half or two. So I don't have any winter clothes, so why am I speaking like that? I don't have any winter clothes. I try to avoid like fast fashion in general, but there's this cool one that I saw on Shein, the clothing brand on Shein called Daisy, and it seemed pretty good quality. So the reason why I value quality is because I like to keep clothes for a long time. Oh, we have shoes! That's why it's so heavy. I was like, why is it so heavy? So as I was saying, it's been pretty cold in LA, which I'm not used to. I'm from a very hot country, so I'm just not used to. Wow! Wow! Hello, classy girl. I'm also going to my best friend's wedding in St. Louis, beginning of January, so I needed to get clothes for that. So I spent Christmas, for the most part, by myself, which is pretty sad. But I mean, I visited a friend after that, which was good. But it's been a tough 2 years because I was supposed to go home to Botswana for Christmas, but Omarion, Omnicrovariant, decided to pop up again. And then I couldn't go because my country was booked. Ooh, this is nice. Oh my God, these are cool. If anybody spent Christmas pretty much alone or just these festive seasons alone, comment below so we can all cry together. But that being said, instead of spending it being sad and like, oh my God, I don't get to be around my family and all of that, I just decided to go the optimistic route and say, first of all, there's so many things for me to be grateful for. I'm alive. I live in this amazing apartment that I worked for. My family's alive. I might not be able to see them, but they're alive. And I mean, I was able to see them through video call. I might not be able to hold them and hug them, but they're alive, and which means I still do get an opportunity to see them. Also, I'm grateful that I have, you know, fans from my other channel, my first channel, almost 30,000 subscribers there, which is great. And that's something to be grateful for. And I'm starting this new channel, and it's growing pretty pretty quickly, I'm not gonna lie. So, oh, what is this? This is not a coat. Guys, I ordered a coat. What is this? I ordered a coat. If you're going through it and you're suffering, guys, these clothes are big. There's no way I'm gonna fit into these. Why is this a medium? Well, I guess we're not gonna be trying everything. What year are we in? God damn it. 2022, I am looking forward to a lot of fun stuff going on. Okay, that's nice. I'm gonna be posting a lot more on this channel, three times a week, maybe 2 to 3 times, mostly 3 times if I can. And so if you guys have any advice on what you want me to post, let me know. But yeah, so please tell me what some of your goals are for 2022. I just wanted to start off with these black pants. I don't know if you can see them well. Size 2. If they weren't so big, they would be great. So I'm definitely gonna get a smaller size, but they look cool. You've got moves smooth like a criminal, but you've got nothing on me, you know. Moves smooth like a criminal, but you've got nothing on me, you know. When you try, but I'm invincible, You've got moves smooth like a criminal, but you've got nothing on me, you know. When you try, but I'm invincible, Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed that little fashion show. I don't do clothing hauls because I'm not that cool, but I had so many clothes that I bought that I decided to do it, and I'm trying new things, you know, that's what life is all about. So let's rate these outfits. I took pictures of each and every one of them, so I'm going to put them up on the screen, and you tell me which one you like the most, which one you like the least. Don't hurt my feelings, okay? Don't do that. I'm not a fashionista or anything like that. I'm learning. The first outfit, I'm not going to put a picture up of it, but I'll put a video of the first one. That was horrible. I don't think I like those jeans. I don't think I like them at all. I got the concept, but I didn't like the double belting of them. You know what I'm saying? And the whole outfit just looked off. Even like, I just look like a mother. No offense to mothers everywhere, I'm just not one. So maybe the top will look nice with something else, but I'm probably gonna return the jeans, which sucks because I'm also gonna return the black jeans, but for a smaller size. I feel like the black jeans are gonna be bomb as hell, so I'm just gonna show them here. I think I took a video of it, but in the right size, I think they're gonna be bomb as hell. This started getting a little better. I like the top. We're just looking at the top, by the way. The pants are from me, my wardrobe, so I just wanted to model the top. I like the top with these pants. It looks very classy, simple. I can wear this on a lunch with friends. I can wear this in a little more serious setting, you know? I can wear this at work if I was working not remote. But I am, so I like this. I'd give this first of all, the first outfit I'd give a 3. This one I'd give a 7. This one Second outfit. Ooh! Who's this? Is this me? It can't be. I like this. I think I love the coat. I've never owned a coat. I've never owned a coat. Really warm. I think a lot of the clothes that I bought were meant for winter. I feel like they're more meant for LA winter. When I go to Missouri, I won't be able to rock a lot of these on their own. I'm gonna have to layer. And I think I'm gonna have to buy like really comfy, not as stylish. This is warm. This felt warm, this felt heavy, and it looked pretty, it looked chic. So I love this coat. I also got the shirt, the little turtleneck. That's also something that I bought from, you know, today. So I would give this an 8.5. Third outfit. I like this outfit. It's very cute. It's very cute. The jean is from my wardrobe. The top thing is what I wore. It's very casual. It's very, hey, I'm just gonna have lunch with my friends. I'm just gonna have brunch with my friends. But I'm gonna look cute and I'm gonna take some cute IG pics and look really aesthetic. I like it. It's cute. I'd give it a 7.5. And then, outfit number 4. Ooh! Come on! Who's that? Is that me? Is that me? Who's the cool girl? It's me. It's me, the cool girl. That's dope. I feel like an Instagram model modeling a cool streetwear line. And the glasses are from me, the jeans are from me, but the hoodie, this I would wear in Missouri. It's really warm. It's really warm, 100% recommend. Makes me feel really hot, and it just looks cool. Like I look like a cool kid, like hello. Yeah, I like it. I give that a 9. I give this hoodie a strong 9. Even the outfit as a whole, I give it a strong 9. I love it. 2. Hey, who's that cool kid? It's me. I'm sorry, I'm looking at pictures again. Then, outfit number 5, I think was 6. Oh, it just gets cooler. It gets cooler. It gets cooler. I like this. Again, this is my first time owning a coat. The coat is very light. This one is very light. Also has some annoying shoulder pads. If somebody knows if it's okay for me to take them out, I don't think I need them. I think I'd just be wearing this for aesthetics or wearing it on top of a hoodie like I'm doing here, which looks nice and will keep me nice and warm and looking stylish. I do like the way it looks when it's under a hoodie. I wore it by itself before and it looks really bulky, but when you wear it with a hoodie on top, it fills it out more and it looks cool. So I give this outfit a 7.8. It's whoa! Who is that hot girl? It can't be me, because I'm about to ask myself out on a date. This is it, baby. Oh my god, I'm about to ask myself out on a date. I would so date myself with this. This is cute. This is the one I'm wearing right now, by the way. I'm acting like I just saw it. This is cute. The jeans are a little worn out because I was expecting to wear those black jeans, but this is a cute outfit. The hair kind of goes with it. If I had some hoop earrings with that, a little bit more makeup, you know. But I love it. I love it. It's very simple. I like the way the tan and the tan go on the bottom and the black on the black. This thing is really nice. I really like this. I think I'm gonna overwear it and I'm gonna abuse it. It's beautiful. I like it. It's cute. It's classy. I can wear this at night. I can wear this afternoon. I can wear this in the morning. I can wear this anywhere. And people are gonna be like, who's that cutie? Hopefully. I wish. But that is it. Those are the outfits for today. Looks like it. There's an outfit for today. You guys tell me what your favorite fit was. You guys tell me what your favorite fit was not. But overall, I rate my little clothing haul at a good 8. I think most of the pieces came well. The only thing I didn't really like was the blue jean, and the only thing that sucked was the black jean was a little too big. It was size 2. Should probably have gotten size 0. So I'm just gonna return that and get size 0, but they do look good. So tell me what you guys enjoy. Tell me what your favorite outfit is, and tell me where you guys want me to shop from next, because I always do need clothes, to be honest. So yeah, love you guys so much. Thank you for watching. Please watch my other videos. Let's get to 500 subscribers. Let's go.